In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Common App. First, you will need to open the Common App contact page. On your computer or mobile device, navigate to your web browser. Type in the URL for Common App, which is www.commonapp.org. Once you reach the homepage, look for the contact section. This is where you can find the help you need. It's important to get to this page because it contains all the necessary resources to assist you. Without it, you may struggle to find the right support for your issue. Once you are on the contact page, you will be presented with several options. You will see categories like applicant support, recommender support, membership, partnerships, and media inquiries. Take a moment to review these options carefully. Choosing the correct type of help is crucial. It ensures that your request goes to the right team. This speeds up the process and helps you receive a response tailored to your specific needs. Next up, once you select the appropriate category, you will see an option labeled Request Support. Click on that. This will take you to the contact form where you can provide more details about your situation. This step is essential because it sets the stage for your communication with the support team. You want to make sure you provide them with the right information to help you effectively. After clicking Request Support, you will need to fill out the contact form with your account details. Here, you will enter information such as your name, email address, and a description of your issue. Be as specific as possible when describing your problem. This helps the support team understand your issue better. A clear description can lead to a faster resolution. When you complete the form, take a moment to review your entries. Ensure everything is correct, especially your contact information. This is vital because it allows the support team to reach you without any delays. After confirming the details, you can then submit the request. Click the Submit button and you will see a confirmation that your request has been received. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that your issue is in the right hands. Now it's time to check your email for a response from the Common App Solutions Center. The support team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for applicants and recommenders. This means you can expect a timely response no matter when you reach out. Keep an eye on your inbox, including your spam folder, just in case the email gets filtered. Getting a quick reply is crucial when you are dealing with application timelines. You can also access the official contact and help pages directly through the website. The URLs are www.commonapp.org/contact and www.commonapp.org/help. Bookmarking these pages can be beneficial for future reference. Having quick access to these resources can save you time later on. It also allows you to stay informed about any updates or changes that may arise. As a final tip, if you are unable to sign into your account, be sure to include the email address associated with your Common App account when contacting support. Describe your issue clearly and provide any error messages or screenshots if possible. This additional information can help the support team resolve your request faster. Remember, being thorough in your communication is key to getting the help you need quickly. Following these steps will ensure you can effectively contact Common App and get the support you require. Good luck with your application process.